The day after California told Uber to halt the testing of its driverless cars, Hyundai gave us a brief ride in an autonomous Ioniq Electric. The trip was mostly uneventful. Our driver, engineer didn't hit anyone, and, unlike Uber's, Hyundai's car didn't run any red lights. You may think that's bank praise, but at the speed of advancement we take nothing for granted. More than once during the ride around the pre-mapped, all-right turn route in Las Vegas, the Ioniq had to sort things out for itself, and the longer you ride the more you realize the scope of data we humans process without noticing. This Ioniq was identified only by its Korea speculation. Your charging ports will actually regularly charging those marker lines, and that is autonomous vehicle license bill. Tourists were completely unaware it was driving itself. The autonomous Ioniq uses 140 to 110 degree IDEA radar units in the front fascia, plus camera array inside the cabin at the top of the concealed. A single camera is used for traffic light detection, with stereo units for the driving assistance. According to Hyundai, the autonomous gear detects objects nearby but also will not drive into a low-hanging tree branch. We are also told the system works in rain and snow, citing the all conditions approval certificate from Nevada, though that center front sensor looks fine for snowpacking and this done. Essentially, one processor collects all the input data and combines it to a singular view, and a second processor tells the car what to do about it. Hyundai notes that minimal system power consumption is a primary target. The cabin sports the prototype standard large red kill switch, an extra display atop the center of the dash, and 2 real-time microphones behind the rear seats. The dash display is red so human drivers know the car is aware of this phenomenon, but it shows traffic lights in red or green, yellow is not detected yet, not panic stop for reasons in the light, speed limit, vehicle speed, blue, a speeder wheel to denote autonomous operation, and pedestrian detect. One rear monitor shows what the traffic light camera sees, the other what the lidar units are picking up, from road curbs to people, vehicle